Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you were already subscribed to my channel, you would have seen that my channel went from Girly Lizzie to Elizabeth Arden. And if you guys don't know, my name is Elizabeth Arden. And yes, it is a company. And no, I'm not the company, if that makes sense. But anyway, my legal name is Elizabeth Arden. But if you're new here, welcome back. My name is Elizabeth Arden, and I was previously known as Girly Lizzie. But anyway, welcome back to my channel, and I make sort of beauty videos, sometimes little art videos here and there. But if you want to check out those, they'll be on my channel. You can just skedaddle on over there. But anyway, let's get into today's video. So today I'm going to be opening up my first Ipsy glam bag, and I can't show the other side because it has my address on it and I don't want no creepers. So I'm going to be opening my first Ipsy glam bag, and if you guys never heard of it, you probably already have, but it's a makeup subscription box and you get 4 to 5 beauty products every month for $10. And it's free shipping, and it caters to your needs, and it's only $10. So, and you get 5 either beauty products, skincare, hair care, nail care. They got everything almost. But anyway, let's get into unboxing this baby. So right off the bat, we're just pulling the little bag out, and this is the bag for May 2018, and their theme for this month is like traveling, and so it has like all this like passport stamps on the front, and then on the back it's like the salmon color and it says Ipsy down here, and then on the little zipper it has an airplane, and on the other side it says Ipsy. So let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. So first, their theme for this month is Go There. It's just a little like thank you card, I guess. And so the first thing that I'm pulling out is this beauty blender. This is the beauty blender. It has like a little carved out side there and feels like a bit hard, and it's pretty tiny. So, but it is really cute, and I really like how like the side is like cut off, because then I can get like right underneath my crease, my under eyes, and in the little sharp tiny corners. So that's one of the products. This next product is from Trustique, I believe is how you pronounce it. And this is a mini matte blur stick. So it looks something like this, and this pops off, and this little white part, you twist it and just, okay, so that's how much product you get in it. It's not a lot, but I mean, it's supposed to be travel size, so it's not supposed to be a lot, but just test it on the back of my hand. Ooh, feels really like smooth on the back of my hand, so you're gonna have to try this out. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Monte Carlo. So this is like a really like nice dark red. Yeah, this is like a pinky sort of red, or at least that's what it's turning up on my hand. Looks a lot darker in the bottle, but it seems to be more pink. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this Kenzie? Why did I say Kenise? I think it's pronounced Kenzie. If I'm saying that wrong, sorry. And and I believe this is a perfume. So that's the bottle. I believe the fragrance is called Loving Life. But let me just spray it on the back of my hand. Oh. Okay, that smells really nice. Kind of has like a floral scent. But overall, this smells really good, and I can see myself getting a lot of use out of this. The last but not least item is from Elizabeth Mott, and it's the Pop color Pop Goes the Shadow, and it is in the shade Mermaid Teal. So that's what it comes as. And I mean, it's pretty like normal size eyeshadow, and like in the pan it looks absolutely gorgeous. So let me just swatch this on the back of my hand. Okay, that looks so pretty, and the way the light catches it makes it look 3 times better. Like, so I'm gonna pop this little bad boy in my Z palette, and I'm definitely going to use this because like I can't get enough of this shadow. Like, so that was it for my May Ipsy glam bag, and I have to say that, I mean, I know this is my first one, but starting off to a great start. So yeah, I can't wait to get more of these, and I'll make more reviews for those. And I know this video is gonna go up late because mid-May I like started my subscription, and so I didn't get it till like the end of May. So this may come out like the last week of May, beginning June, somewhere around there. But hopefully for the June bag I will have it on time where everyone else is like posting their video or whatever. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure and like this video, comment down below any video suggestions, and be sure and subscribe to my channel if you liked me or whatever. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.